favorite book ko, friends, na nabasa. 7 chapters pa ito na book written by Robert Kiyosaki. So marami tayong natutunan dito na book, friends. As a result, naging entrepreneur po tayo or small business owner. So favorite ko na topic is yung sa chapter 2, The Rich Don't Work for Money. Then yung chapter 4, Mind Your Own Business. And chapter 7, Work to Learn, Don't Work for Money. Ayan po. So highly recommended po to read this book para maiba po yung mindset ninyo. So after reading this book, yung mindset ninyo maging entrepreneur or business owner. All right? Good luck, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.